due to be fully vaccinated this month. A wedding is one of the most magical days for many, but leading up to the event can be very stressful, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. O'Shane Masters reports.
Jamaica is ranked among the top destinations for weddings in the world, and event planners across the island are burning the candles at both ends to ensure the dreams of many brides become a reality. But with the peak summer season fast approaching, some of those dreams are slowly turning into nightmares. It comes as Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the maximum number of individuals allowed in attendance at a wedding is 15.
Even though, Madam Speaker, I don't know what it is, but I am not getting so many complaints about the number for weddings. Maybe there is a certain economy at play.
President of the Jamaica Wedding Professionals Association, Ophelia McKnight, says her job is to keep more than 500 brides calm, with some facing the possibility of having their weddings postponed.
I'm hoping to have audience. I think, like everybody, we are all very frustrated.
Domiola, a Nigerian and her Jamaican fiancé, are both living in Canada and have been planning their wedding for more than a year. But with the current COVID-19 measures in place, a wedding that was planned to accommodate 80 guests would be reduced to 15 persons. And with the possibility of more than $3.5 million going down the drain, they have decided to have a civil wedding instead. Then the guests and the newlyweds will come to Jamaica. Wedding designer Francine Foster, who has been plying her trade for over 10 years, says she's pushed to the limit.
I am losing sleep because the reality is now wedding season is upon us. My first wedding is actually for this month, and we have had to make some very drastic changes just so the bride can have her wedding.
Wedding entities are calling for some leeway. Events management specialist at Rose Hall Development, Gerdine Myers, says proper procedures are in place at the property to facilitate huge gatherings.
Our venues are very ideal for the climate we're in. We have acres and acres of outdoor beautiful spaces with whatever is needed to social distance, contact tracing, so that we can deliver on the product that our international clients are needing, and our locals. We have local weddings as well.
The planners are also calling for clarity from the government.
So at this point, we are just hoping that somebody somewhere will have a conversation with us, listen to what is going on, have us educate them on exactly how people are being impacted, and to do something about creating a more formal presence for us with appropriate regulations, so that we can begin to operate in a way that allows us to take care of our clients.
In the meantime, small business operators who are direct beneficiaries from weddings are also feeling the squeeze.
The coconut man, the lady who makes the tambourine balls and the drops, the pink on top, those are the things that our wedding guests want to give to their guests as favors, because it's the authentic Jamaican experience.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.